gave that? Tita Ethel.
Tita Ethel. What Tita Ethel did, Mom?
Daddy's workmate's friend.
All day long?
Yes. So, dinaato natin Ethel kahapon.
And let's open it
For baby number 2. Let's open. So, Kuya Adriel. That's the main present. Go.
Oh, so Sophie. So
What is that? Yes.
I don't know. Oh, it's a jumper.
Wow.
Look. And there's a hat.
And a hat.
For outside.
For out. No, it's a new comforter. Yeah. And this one. Partner na siya. One piece. Blue. And then meron pang hat. From M&S.
M&S.
Yeah.
It's actually fit to me. It's actually fit.
It's actually fit.
A baby can fit and a you can fit.
Yeah. Yeah. So cute. Thank you, Ate Ethel, for this present.
And now for the baby bottle.
And next, another present.
It's a baby
Pang
bottle.
winter talaga, guys. So, yan. Pwede niya ito yung going home outfit. So, palitan ko yung going home outfit niya. Kasi nakapack na ako ng hospital bag. What's it? It's all the same, I think. Marami siyang ganito na dala. Galing daw to sa friend niya.
Yes, I can make this a baby bottle. It's a baby bottle.
Wow! Nam, a baby bottle. Wow! What else is inside?
Ooh,
Oh,
a lot.
it's a lot. Oh, may ano pa, dummies.
Can I check? See?
Dummies.
What? Why is she in there?
Yeah, they put it
Look, a
there.
fox.
Fox.
Hello.
Hello.
Foxy.
Ang galing naman. Ang dami niyang ganito. 1, 2.
Mommy, open this. It's a lot of paper. Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? I'm a
Apat. Apat na baby bottle. So, what's inside? It's all, it's all baby bottle. For a second. Yun. So,
Are
galing
you
daw to
sure
sa...
it's old baby bottle?
Yes. Galing daw to sa friend niya.
Are you sure?
So, ayan. Yan yung laman ng apat. Puro baby bottle. And,
Are you sure it's a
itong ganito. Motherhood. Ang galing nito. Wala akong nam na
A baby
na
bottle.
baby bottle.
It looks the same.
Yeah, it looks the same. Wala ako nitong type na
And
to ng
another
baby bottle.
one.
So, thank you Lord. Meron tayong
There's another
bago.
one. There's another one.
Yes, there's
A
a
fox.
lot. We can give it to others maybe.
This is a fox.
Yes. So, apat na ganito. So, ayun lang for baby number 2. There's no more. Thank you so
One
much.
more.
One more. Okay. There's one more. What is it?
Oh, that's for babies.
Oh,
Oh, the
Wedella. Nappy change cream. Meron din. Meron din tayong shampoo and body wash. Ayan. Mga sample size ata to. Nipple balm. Okay. Thank you so much, Ate Ethel. Sobrang magagamit namin to. Lahat-lahat.
We're not
Sakto, wala pa kami masyadong
We're not already
baby.
opened
Wala
this.
kaming ganito.
We're not already opened this.
Yeah, because it's the same baby bottle. Just give it to others maybe.
What?
Okay.
So many baby
Yes.
bottles.
So, what you can say? That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next one. Bye-bye. Stay happy.
Say happy night. Bye. Bye. Click on YouTube. Click on